SRT dad. The footage you just saw was from an SRT Charger HELLCAT REDEYE, guys. So earlier today I got my lighting. I'm about to go test it out right now. It's night out, so go ahead and test out that underglow. But let's go ahead and take you back to earlier today, guys. So let's go. All right, guys. So we're here with my guy Omar. Do the underglow right now. But somebody came and stole the show.
Wow.
And what year is it, bro? 21?
I think so, yeah.
Bro, it's a REDEYE too? It's a REDEYE? Yeah. Got a HELLCAT REDEYE, guys. Show the inside real quick. It's not my car. I'm not sitting here. Oh my god. Sunroof. Alright, guys. So what Omar's gonna do over here, he's gonna stick
this shit up.
Yeah, he's gonna fuck that shit up too. But he's gonna stick the underglow just right below my easy lip, right here. What about the back, bro?
It's gonna go right inside your diffuser.
Oh, okay.
Right under the where the spare goes.
Okay.
And so
Nice.
the law in Arizona says that you can't be able to see the light source. So the LEDs themselves.
Wait, so we're actually allowed to have them?
Yeah.
Oh shit! I thought it was illegal the whole time.
I mean, it's illegal to have colors,
Yeah,
obviously, like reds and
Yeah,
blues.
yeah.
But it's not necessarily illegal to have the underglow on. And obviously, it'll depend on the cop to see, you know, how big of a dick they want to be or whatever.
Yeah.
But it's not. Yeah, technically, it's not illegal.
Oh snap! I thought it was. Yeah, usually when I drive out, I just have this shit on white. When in the neighborhoods and stuff, I'll go like with red and shit.
Yeah.
But let's see the front right here. So you're gonna put it on this pan right here, you said?
No. So there's another one that goes in front of that.
Okay.
And it'll go on that one.
Okay. Nice.
So I was just telling him that if you guys do decide to go with an underglow kit, try to find out what kind of hardware they're gonna send you, because these things are fine, but they're made out of like rubber and silicone, so they're gonna warm up, get dry, crack, whatever. And I have found that people, when they try to put screws in there, if they're not too, you know, skilled with the drill, they're gonna miss and they hit that strip, and that strip is done. So I was recommending to try to find some with, you know, hardware like this. And the way this works is you first put this into the car with the self-tap or whatever.
Oh, yeah.
Like that.
Makes it easier than just aiming.
The strip will go on there like this. You know, it's upside down.
Yeah.
And then a zip tie will go under and around. And then it ties on.
Okay.
The rest of it sticks on the car. You don't have to worry about it. And then this is already hard plastic. Plastic is going to deteriorate over time, but I have found that this lasts a lot longer.
Okay. All right.
But
hell yeah.
Plastic goes on, screw goes through the middle, the zip tie. You'll want to put it through the little bridges or whatever. And then this goes onto the car, wherever it is that you're going to put it. And then without finishing all of it, show you, you'll zip tie it, pull all the slack out. You don't want this shit falling out. And then also don't over tighten it, because you'll squeeze that strip on the inside.
Like the other ones?
Yeah, it'll crimp, and it basically cuts the connection. And because these are flow series, it's all in series, so if the connection breaks here, the next ones won't work.
Okay.
But yeah, just make it snug, cut the excess, and then just easy as that.
So the app was being a little glitchy. Got it to work. Hey guys, so Omar says he'll give me a little ride in the Hellcat. We'll pull all the cars out. Then take a little test drive in this Hellcat. I'm not gonna drive though. But still, never been in a Hellcat before, so this will be my first time. Drive away slowly, safely.
Oh, look at that Hellcat.
Arizona's lighting expert, guys.
Bumps, but they're not actually, they're not really there.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, I'll show you right here. It's perfect on that fucking train track.
Dude, that's smooth as shit. It's like you feel it, but like there's something in between.
Yeah. Now watch, because it's a Hellcat, so it's got that Bilstein automatic like magnetic suspension.
The magnetic suspension.
That adjusts and shit.
Yeah.
I'll put it in track mode. You can feel everything. Like, even those little S bumps are like.
Yeah. So now it feels more like what I have.
Uh-oh, windows are down. This can't be good.
Oh my God, what was that, like 5, 6, 7 seconds in 100?
We can check your camera.
Okay, yeah, for real. Oh my. Yo. God damn. YouTube, I've never been in a Hellcat before, so I just almost shit my pants. Yo, those brakes though, God, those 6-piston Brembo brakes, sheesh, stop on a dime.
The brakes too, they change depending on which
what
drive
mode you're
on. Yeah.
Bro, my face feels weird right now.
Like right there, I just gently touched it to stop.
Yeah.
Because we're in track. And I'll go to auto. And I'm gonna hit with the exact same brake pressure. It's just it's just enough.
That's crazy technology, man. This is why I can't go to a dealership and test drive a Hellcat, because I'm gonna walk out with it. Wow. I didn't cheat on you. I didn't drive it. I didn't cheat on you. All right, guys, just want to say thank you to Omar. He did an amazing job. We got it all figured out. It's all good to go. I'm SRT Dad, Global Optics.
No, take me back to the Hellcat.
Just gonna flip to the colors here. Can't really see it that much, and with light around. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna drive somewhere a little darker and check out the lights. I obviously can't drive with them, with certain colors, as Omar explained earlier, guys. But anyways, let's go somewhere darker and check out how they look. All right, guys, so there you kind of see how the underglow looks. Looks pretty cool. Go all the way around here. Go ahead and turn on the headlights or the halos and see how it looks with the halos. See it there with the halos, guys. Got a nice little light show now, right? Very cool. And this one, guys, this one's gonna be my personal favorite, the red on red. Mainly what I wanted the underglow for, just for some more red, right? But it's nice to be able to play with a lot of different custom options on the app for the underglow, and I'll make a review video explaining how everything works. Today was more just of an install and just to see how it looks, you know what I mean? But it looks really cool, guys, especially that front end there. Go ahead and start her up. YouTube. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. It was a long day today, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Got a lot of content coming to the channel, guys. Hit that like button. Help me out with that YouTube algorithm, guys. I'm SRT Dad. I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm